Good morning, class 6. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine. Today we will cover page number 38 to 41 of chapter number 4, Word Processor. First we will do page number 38, changing height of a row and changing width of a column. You can change the height of rows to accommodate your table information. The meaning of accommodate is to provide sufficient space to your table information. Place mouse pointer over the bottom edge of the row you want to change to a new height. Like in this table, I want to change the height of this row. So, place mouse pointer over the bottom edge of the row you want to change. Like this, I am placing the mouse pointer here. The mouse pointer changes to this symbol. Drag the row edge to a new position by pressing mouse. A dotted line shows the new position, as you can see that. Now release the mouse. Word adjust the new row height. Now, changing width of a column. You can change the width of column to improve the layout of your table and to accommodate your table information. Again, place mouse pointer over the edge of the column you want to change to a new width. This is the column edge. The mouse pointer changed to this symbol now. Drag the column edge to a new position. The dotted line shows the new position. And now release the mouse. Word adjust the column width. I hope you can easily understand. Now we will do page number 39, moving a table. You can move a table from one location to another in your document. Place the mouse pointer over the upper left corner of the table you want to move. As you can see that this is the upper left corner of my table. The handle appears like this. You may scroll to the left to view the handle. Place mouse over the handle. Now, mouse pointer will change to this symbol. Drag the table to a new location by pressing mouse left button. As you can see that a dashed outline indicates the new location. Now release the mouse. Your table appears in the new location. Our next topic is resizing a table. You can resize a table in your document to adjust the space. Place the mouse pointer over the table you want to resize like this. As you can see that at the upper left corner a handle appears, and on the right side bottom this symbol is appear. Now place mouse over the handle. Mouse pointer will change to this symbol now. Drag the handle until the table is of the size you want. If you want to increase the table size or if you want to decrease the table size. By pressing the mouse left button like this, a dashed outline indicates the new size. Now release the mouse pointer. Table will appear in new size. Now move to the next page, page number 40. Combining cells in a table. You can combine two or more cells in your table to create one large cell. Combining cell is useful when you want to display a title across the top or the downside of your table. As you can see that in my table, I am giving this title to your table. Class record. Now I want to combine this cell which cover both the column. Select the cell you want to merge. First you have to select the cell like this, only this cell. Now click on Layout tab on the ribbon. Here you can see that this is the Layout tab on the ribbon. Here merge cell option is given. Here merge the selected cell into one cell. Click on merge cell button. As you can see that the cells combine together to create one large cell. I hope you can easily understand what we have done today. Thank you and have a